You gearing up for the IBPS RRB PO Prelims 2025. With the updated exam pattern and sectional timings, a focused 12-day study plan can make all the difference. The exam now features two main sections, reasoning ability and quantitative aptitude, each with 40 questions and 40 marks, to be completed in 25 and 20 minutes respectively. That's a total of 80 questions in just 45 minutes. To maximize your score, it's crucial to understand the pattern and manage your time smartly from day one. Let's break down how you can structure your preparation for maximum efficiency and confidence. 12-day plan starts with understanding the updated pattern and revising basics like number series, simplification, syllogism, and inequality. Each day targets specific topics. Day 2 focuses on mastering simplification and inequality with timed practice, while Day 3 shifts to number series and syllogism, emphasizing quick elimination techniques. Arithmetic topics are split across days 4 and 7, covering percentages, profit loss, time and work, and more. Puzzle practice, data interpretation, and advanced reasoning types are interspersed to build both speed and accuracy. Regular mocks and revision days are built in, ensuring you're not just learning, but also testing and refining your approach under real exam conditions. Success in IBPS RRB Prelims isn't just about hard work, it's about smart work. Practice sectional mocks with real exam timing, 25 minutes for reasoning, 20 for quant. Set a daily target of 50 questions per section and increase mock frequency as the exam approaches. Spend at least 1.5 times more on analyzing your mistakes than on attempting questions. If a question takes more than 20 seconds to solve, skip it and move on. Use trusted resources like R.S. Agarwal and Aaron Sharma for concept clarity and platforms like Ada247 and Oliveboard for updated pattern mocks. On the final days, focus on revision, short notes, and maintaining a calm, confident mindset.